Class 9 English. Class 9 English lesson on Tales of Bhola Grandpa, author of Manoj Das. I want to know the identifications of the authors of Manoj Das. He was born 1934. He was born on 1934 and he got award winning and he wrote many essay, short stories and poems and articles on history and culture. Tales of Bhola Grandpa. Bhola Grandpa and his wife lived on the western end of our village. A large bokal tree overshadowed their hut and a tribal groups of monkeys lived on the a group of monkeys lived on the bokal tree. Bhola Grandpa and his wife don't mind it. One moonlight night, we are returning from the festival and it was the road long and foggy and I was climbed up the shoulders of the village chowkidars and suddenly we heard let out a loud wail. We were halted and surprised that Bhola Grandpa was gaping, and we asked him what was he grieving, and he remembered that he was grieving on to the fingers of his grandson, and he was not noticed that when it was slipped and we found the grandson, and my father chose to the two sharp eyes man and go back with Bhola Grandpas to the festivals, and they found the boys so as long and the boy was sheltered. The boy was cozy sheltered in under the cow's belly. One day